Okay, so here we have this example of a Mayan number, and we need to figure out what's the real number here. Okay, so first of all, we see that they stack things vertically, and we've got these spaces between these numbers. Okay, so that lets you know that we're moving on to the next place value every time they space. So looking at their place values, start at the bottom. This is the 1 place value. This is the 20 place value. This next line is going to be 20 to the first times 18. If it went further, it would be a place value of 20 squared times 18, and then we could do a 20 to the third times 18 and a 20 to the fourth times 18. Okay, so those are their place values, but we're just going to be concerned with those first 3 since that's as far as ours went. Okay, so again, start at the bottom. This first place value of 1, it just has the 2 dots, right? So we know it's got 2 of the dots. The dots are each worth 1 point each, if you will. And then we move into the second place value, which is the 20. The 20 is worth 0. Well, sorry, the little bowl of rice or the hamburger or the football, whatever we're calling this little character here, it's actually just worth 0 points, right? So we could think about that as a 0 times 20. All right. Now the third place value, we're up here in the 20 times 18. And we've got 2 lines. So the 2 lines are worth 5 points each. So you could say like a 5 times 2, or if you want to go ahead and call that a 10, that's fine as well. Okay. So let's bring in our calculator here. We're going to have to do 5 times 2 times 20 times 18, and we get a 3,600. When we do 0 times 20, that's 0, and 2 times 1 is 2. So we add up these numbers, and we get 3,602 as our final answer.